Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be looking at jet planes. So as in the previous video, we looked at the takeoff and landing on a Cessna 172 on flight school. So in this video we're going to be looking at jet planes and I'm going to be trying and flying them. So we're going to be trying the X-15. Okay, it's a very later we'll be trying the Phantom D25G transporters and others. So let's get this right on. So we'll be flying on Fazenda Bo Fortuna, whereas clearance is at 11:33 local time, so 14:33 UTC time. Start flight. So it's gonna be really fun, and I think this is the first time I'll be trying a jet plane or a fighter jet. This will be really exciting. So stay tuned, and I think you will actually like, because in the end of the video we'll be learning some of our mistakes, and later when you guys get the free time you can guys also try it out. So you can read the did you know part, and yeah, basically yeah. So as you all know, I always say this is the front captain eye view of landing a boy. Yeah. I actually checked on 1611. There's actually no Airbuses. There's only Boeing 747, 707, I think 737. And surprisingly, there's also a space shuttle. Yeah, it's a bit funny. Why would the space shuttle be here? I think it's just for experimental. So, if you're new to this channel, I'll be explaining. Oh, so this is the view. So if you're new to this channel, I'm going to be teaching you how to fly so that next time you got this. So I'm using the Trustmaster F16 Hotas. So to go up, we bring the throttle down, and when we pitch down, we bring the uh thing like downwards. Okay, let's start. Okay, this is going a bit fast. Okay, it's the runway. Where am I going? Oh, it's okay. I guess we can go full speed. Oh, wait, let me just check something. Oh my god. Wow, that's actually crazy. Look at that. Okay, 9 and begin. Pull up. Oh, no, tire blower. Pull up, pull up. Why isn't it pulling up? Oh, yo, did we just went upside down? We did not just went upside down. Yo, what is happening? Something wrong. Because this thing is so fast. Oh, okay. Oh my god, we are upside down. Oh, I know, no. I think there's something wrong. Okay. Oh, I think there's something wrong. Pull up. Oh, okay. Oof, ouch. That's actually ouch. I think this is the X15 is a bit too powerful. Let's try a different. I'm gonna be flying. I'm gonna fly the Phantom. Phantom 2. That's a bit ouch. I don't know what to say, but last time when I tried it out, I actually went perfect. Whoa, this is even worse. Actually better. Oh wow. Okay, let's try it. Engines are warming up. Okay, finally this thing is turning. Okay, it's turning. I'm gonna hit it to the runway. USS. I want to turn it so that I can exactly move it properly. I want to try to do some barrel rolls, front flips, and all. Okay, I think you're kind of making a bit of progress. We're quite close to the runway. Let's see, altitude. Oh, we're so close. Yeah, it's actually going a bit, so let me increase the speed a bit. I want to hit exactly in the middle, then I'm gonna stop twisting. And stop. Let's go. Wait, do I pull up? Oh my god, do we pull up? Pull up. I think it's saying pull up. Pulling up. Pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up. Oh god. Come on, come on, come on. This is the first fight which we're gonna be doing. Oh, finally. We're in the air. Oh god. No, 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 no. Pull up, pull up, pull up. Fighter jets are like so hard to control. I really wish we can shoot the missiles. Let's see how it actually looks like in the third person view. Whoa, this actually looks quite sick. You gotta agree though. Wow, look, that's the runway and we just have taken off. Let's see from this perspective. Oops, my bad. Okay, I think it might be a bit hard to control. Now let me try the barrel. Let me just gain some altitude and okay, let's do the flip. 1, 2, 3. Yo, that's actually insane. Whoa, that's actually crazy. Wait, pause. Let's try it in a third person perspective. It's actually gonna look so sick. Wait, watch. Okay, so we're gonna attempt this. Hopefully we don't crash. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh wow, look at the elevator. Look how it actually moves. That's actually wow, that's actually really really fun. Whoa, now let's try on the left side. Okay, first person view. Regain some altitude. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now let's try in the Wait, boss, is there another pilot? Oh wow, there's two. Okay, let's see. Whoa, we didn't crash. Whoa, whoa, what the hell happened? I twisted the throttle a bit and look. It's actually like really fun. I should try a backflip. Let's try it. One, ready? Oh god, I think I'm gonna die. I'm decreasing my altitude. I think the amount of G-force the artificial pilot that cannot handle it. Oh, that's really fun. Let's try to land it. Let's see. Let me just gain some altitude. Whoa. Pause. Let's see around it, the cockpit. So this is the joystick. Yeah. Oh, whoa. The roll your pitch enable. I want to try something. Wait, let's try something. Oh, I'm trying to click any button I see. I think I just solved something. Okay, so now what? I wonder what we can do. Okay, let's try to land it. Let's see, let's see. Okay, I think we tried that. Wait, does it even have landing gear? One second, let me just check. I'm really stupid. Okay, pause. Now let's go back to first person view. Okay, let's go. Let's land. Yo, what's happening? Oh, radar. I don't know how much altitude we are because I never ever tried riding. I tried the X15. At first it turned out really good, but it's actually really fast. I think this jet plane is actually good. Wait, let's try something. Let me try something. Oh. Battletrist roll while we land. Okay, about to land. If we imagine we actually landed, that would be really awesome. Landing this jet plane at a remote island somewhere, I think in the forest.
Sink rate, sink rate, sink rate, sink rate,
What's this thing?
sink rate, sink rate, sink rate, sink rate, sink rate, sink rate, sink rate,
Sync rate?
sink rate, 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 pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up.
What's it saying?
Pull up, pull up, pull up.
Yo, whoa.
40.
We floated, guys.
Sink rate, sink rate, sink rate,
Oh
sink
my
rate,
god.
sink rate, sink rate, sink rate.
I think I reduced it really so much that.
50. 40. 20.
Whoa. Ouch. Okay, I actually meant. Okay, fine. I actually wanted to crash. Okay, fine. I actually wanted to crash it. Whoa. Okay, that's a bit too much. Can the plane stop rolling? Uh. Oh God, I'm dying. Oh, help, somebody. Oh, yeah, we did. Whoa, that thing is badly burned. Okay, let's continue with a new flight. Okay, so we did then now let's try the Lockheed SR-71. Let's try a different one. Actually, this is fun. I guess. Oh, X-15 fail. At least we kind of did a battle roll, but okay, alright. The crashing was actually pretty cool though. Oh, trying the new fighter jet. Okay, this time I really want to do a backflip, but if it goes too high, I'll start to stall. The more G-force, more. Oh, this is like the X-15. Hopefully, it's not the X-15, because if it is, yeah, I'm leaving. Oh, thank God. It's not like the X-15. Phew, I was actually quite worried. Because the exact same setup is like that. Oh, this is actually pretty good. I like it. Okay, let's increase the speed. I can't see what's ahead of me. See, it's one of like the fighter planes that are designed like that. Whoa, this is actually. Oh look, one thing I really like about this plane is the angle of attack. Right, that's actually really cool. Whoa, this is actually something like the X-15, but cooler. Whoa, look at that. Look at that warhead. Okay. Let me contact with the. Okay, now as promised. Sorry. Okay, now let's do the. Let me just gain some altitude. Ready? One, two, three. Battle roll to the right. Whoa. You know how fast that actually spin? I wonder about the left. My son. Ready? One, two, three. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh shit. Terrain, pull up. Oh no. Mistake. Oh, okay, we're gonna die. We're gonna die. Oh god. Oh, whoa. Oh my god. I think it'll be easier if I control it like this. No. Stop. No. Oh. Oh god, I cooked. Oh. No. Pull up. Oh. Well. Oh my. Okay, I'm gonna pull up. One, two, three, pull up. Oh. Ouch. Okay, so maybe battle roll is not to the left is really bad. We crashed two fighter jets. Okay, as I was saying, the space shuttle. Let's see how this actually goes. I'm actually really excited to try. Let's see how NASA or see how they. Let's see the astronaut view of the space shuttle. Whoa. Okay, let's. Whoa, that's actually low-key kind of cool. Let's see. Wait, can I actually fly to space? I'm just joking. Imagine it just did. Oh, I actually like it. Wait, what's the arm? Should I arm it? Can we arm it? Okay, this is actually. Imagine this is the airplane of the future. Ooh. What's happening? Can I move? Okay, fine. Looks like the space shuttle is denying my existence. So let's do what it wants. What? Hey, what's happening? I'm doing full speed. Hello? Alright, I'm just gonna do random buttons. Hello? I'm right here. Wait, I don't understand. Really? Is this really like that? Oh my god. Okay, this is actually really a dud. Look, I can't do anything. Fine, I just. Well, okay, fine. What does it want? I'm going full speed. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I'm going full speed. What does it want? Did I click something wrong? Yes, if I did, can I undo it? Oh, I guess you can't do anything in this. If I just click some random over the wall. Nothing. Seriously. Why did Explain even add this useless thing? Ugh. Oh my god. Oh, hey. Hello, I'm right here. I'm gonna click some random buttons. Oops. Q. Q. 45679. Where did I press? Uh. Uh. Oh, wait. Did I get it? Oh. Wait, let me just test something real quick. Yeah, this thing is very useless. Very, very, very useless. What is you get? Ash, which one the helicopter? Ultralight. The C10. Huh. Actually, I actually really like the general aviation. It's actually really nice. So we'll try the last vehicle before we end the video. Let's try. Let me try the helicopter. Let's see how it is. Let's do a startup. So if Explain is watching this, I think it's better if you remove the thing. Or if somebody willing to know how to do it, please help. Okay, so well, it actually looks very tough. Ooh, which one did the driver helicopter when I was young? Now, how do you drive a helicopter? Pulling up. How do you fly it? Oh, well, looks like can't really. I think there's somewhere in flight school which we will do in the next video. I think we can actually know how to fly this helicopter. So I think in the next video we might doing the um, flight sim on helicopters. I really want to know how to drive it. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and sub. Thank you so much. Bye.